Okay, clock. Clock.
Bro, like you're saying only a clock, like that's not my name. My name is Alex Chino, okay? Cause I'm sexy as fuck and I wanna do.
Bro,
Like,
I'm so basically like, if
have you seen that
like,
TikTok trend? Have you seen that TikTok trend? It's like, why can't my boyfriend look like Alex Chino? But I just realized, like, bro, if like your girl won't be able to say that. Isn't that
I
crazy?
show who I said this on the set.
Like, nigga, hey, Slick Suat on Twitch. Like, I'ma just let you know this nigga sexy as fuck, dude. This nigga sexy as fuck, dude.
Okay.
I'm streaming too, Paz. I peaked at 4 viewers.
Let's get the job done.
I think I got actually 5 4 reels.
Bruh, cause you're Alex. Like, all you just gotta do is clickbait Alex Chino stream now.
Bro, what's it called? So like, what are you just gonna say hit it? So what's going on?
No, cause we're pending. Like, bro, take me back already. Take me back.
Brother?
I can't say nothing to. No. Me and Bella, like, bro. It's just if I could get to her, then we'd be like, we could actually be a thing.
I love this part.
Bro.
I said that new shit. I was like, catch a nigga like that poo shit. Run a nigga down. That's on the set. On my soul. On my soul. Have you seen that on my soul shit? On my soul. On my soul. Why you? Okay. You know who Shotty Bay is? Hector. Bro, if you disconnected again, bro, I'm gonna beat the fuck out of you. Oh my god. Again? Bro, again, my nigga? What? Hello? Bro, nigga, I'm getting on 2K, bro. No way this nigga's disconnected again. Alright, bro, I'm gonna catch this.
Bro, I've tried everything to get rid of them. Nothing's working.
Spotted. Take fire.
Oh my god, there's 3 of them. I've tried everything. I just sound so dumb. Like, yeah, I even went upstairs to grab more water, and my mom was laughing at me. This shit hurting my chest. I'm napping too. Shut up.
Either you fight with me and we win, or you fight with someone else and I win. Fighting on screens sure beats watching screens. I'm in.
Oh god.
Yo, what's good?
Oh god.
Introducing your champion. Better find me before I find you.
Oh my god.
Alright, you guys ready for the best game? Wait, what the fuck is your name? Is Slick Smoke?
Is this guy
Yo,
drunk?
you trying to compete? trying to compete with me, brother?
Nobody gives a fuck. No, I'm not gonna say that. That's mean.
Land in the junkyard, you'll be smart. Dumb to land right on the ship. Let's kill him then. Took down one already, you're a G. Should be easier for us now then.
This guy sounds intoxicated.
First blood? Last blood's the thingy I care about. Champion's out. Champion of what? Enemy taken down. I'm cover for you, mate. Not all of us are in the ring. Stand a better shot inside it.
Bangalore, you got this. Put me up, please. Put me over here to stacks. You guys are some shit ton of people over here. If there's people on you, let me know, but we're rotating now to the next squad. I think we should go over here to the geyser, or the, no, not the geyser. Like, follow me, follow me, follow me. The geyser, the geyser. Oh!
How the fuck do I get up there? There's fucking two of them up still.
Give me up, I'm down here.
What can I say?
My days.
Native moisturizing lotion is the perfect addition to your routine. As dermatologist tested.
Fix what? Hello? Hello?